You can insert several different H5P question types into interactive videos from this toolbar. For this guide, we are going to use a single choice set question. Make sure you select poster if you want your question to appear on the video. In the single choice set tool, enter your question in the first field. Add your correct answer here. Rest are the alternative answers. You don't have to do anything here. Once you have finished configuring your question, click Done. You can adjust position and size. You can keep adding different kind of interactions to make the video more engaging and challenging for students. Interactions will appear as dots on the playback bar at the bottom of the video. There are a lot of different interaction types that are not covered in this guide. These are available in the toolbar at the top of the video. Click around and explore the different options to add interactivity to your video. Many of these options have their own guides on how to set them up. So, be sure to check the H5P Interactives category if you get stuck. Click Summary Task when you have finished adding all your interactions. This will help you build a summary that appears at the end of the video to test students' knowledge in the moment. Adding a summary to your interaction video is optional. You can skip this sub-step and head straight to the step 4 if you don't want to add summary task. After you click to add summary task, enter some introduction text to explain the task. H5P automatically generates the text. Choose the correct statement. Add your first statement. This is a complete sentence that the student can choose as an answer, like in a multiple choice question. The first statement is the correct answer. Click Add Statement to add more options for student to choose from. H5P automatically generates 2 blank statements per set. You can add tips if you want. Tips add information that helps students choose the right answer. Enter the time that you want the summary to display at. Overall feedback can be designed to appear depending on the percentage of correct answers a student has achieved. To add a range, click Add Range and select the minimum and maximum percentage for this feedback. Behavioral settings determine how your video is going to display and work for students, including any answers you may have added in the previous step. If you want to ensure that the learner watches the entire video, then enable the Prevent Skipping Forward in a Video feature. Now, scroll down and click Display Options. Turn on Display Action Bar and Frame. Now, click Grade. If the activity has a score and a passing grade or score, type grade to pass and maximum grade. If you want to track the completion of the activity, click Activity Completion and select an option for completion tracking. Click Save and Display. That's about it. Now you can click Turn Editing off and test it. Small tips. In addition to links, images, or text, you can embed the following question types. For example, true or false, filling the blanks, multiple choice, drag and drops, and navigation. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.